So for Easter Sunday, my family and I decided to have a big ham, a 9-pound ham to be exact. Of course, with that large of a ham, there's going to be leftovers. We're not just going to eat this ham the same way. So my mom decided she's going to make different recipes that involve ham and that everyone will love. Well, I mean, most everyone. So day one, we made a really good ham and penne skillet. I'd say penne like we used it, but we didn't. We used fusilli. I know, we betrayed the recipe, but in quarantine, what are you going to do? They're not really good regardless, and it was super simple to make.
Yeah, that's good.
Day 2, we made an asparagus and ham casserole. It was one of the 2 casseroles we made, this one taking the least amount of time. It was also the recipe I decided to test myself and try to help cook while holding a camera.
We're going to pour the ham in there. Here, I got it, Willie, because you want to... Go ahead.
Lessons were quickly learned. After the breadcrumbs and cheese were added, it went to the oven, and 10 minutes later, out came a tasty casserole.
The central ingredient, the central character of the story, right?
And the ham was good. This is good.
This is good.
It's good.
It's day 3 of getting rid of all of this ham, and unfortunately we are not able to cook anything new tonight. Mom is currently in a meeting that's going to be taking the rest of the night, and so I decided to reheat the penne recipe that we made Monday. Yeah. Still tastes like ham. Day 4, casserole number 2. But hark, we didn't use noodles this time, mainly because the recipe didn't call for noodles, it called for potatoes. We also put the ham in a creamy cheese sauce, almost like ham and cheese or some sort of power couple. We put some hot potatoes and broccoli into the pan as well. We put them in the pan, alongside more breadcrumbs, and cooked them. Out comes a bubbly casserole a little while later.
It's hot. But it's also good. So, yeah, it tastes good.
So, it's Friday, aka day 5, and it's leftover night again. We have pretty much drained my mom of any energy to cook for the rest of the weekend. So I had to reheat some of the same penne as before. The bowl is extremely hot, so I have to watch my fingers. Hi. So that was Ham Week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you stay safe out there. We're still in a quarantine, so excuse me, I'm gonna go watch some Netflix.